Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download the auto clicker on your phone. So this works on iPhone and Android, it's fully working, no jailbreak, no computer. So when you open it up guys, you'll see that this is the fully working auto clicker and we have all our settings in here. So we can set it to a single target or multiple targets. So if you guys don't understand what this means, single target means it will touch one area of the screen and multiple targets means it will touch multiple. So we'll open up a game here, Tap Titans 2. This is a game that's oriented around tapping. And as you can see the pause thing there, it is running and it's just doing one section. So it's going to tap the same area of the screen. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this. It's super cool. So if you're using an iPhone, go to settings, go to general and make sure background app refresh is on. This can be on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data. It really doesn't matter, but make sure it's turned on. If it is set to off, this is not going to work. So once you've done that guys, you're all set. So the next thing we're going to do is go over to battery and make sure that the low power mode is turned off. So let me just go down here. Now you're going to know the low power mode is turned on because your battery percentage is going to be yellow. So make sure the low power mode is turned off. So once you've done that guys, you're all set. So all we have to do now is go to App Store and make sure that automatic downloads is turned on. Now this should be on by default, but if for some reason guys it's turned off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. So once you've done that guys, all you have to do is go to this amazing website. This site has a bunch of mods for apps and games. So let me just type it in right here. So yeah, they don't just have the auto clicker, they have other cool apps and games, a lot of like plus apps. So once you're on the website guys, what you want to do is just go to the search bar and type in auto clicker. So I'm just going to wait for the site to load here as you guys can see, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it in. So as you can see, they got like Roblox plus, Off-Road Outlaws, Webtoon, all the cool hacks for your favorite apps and your favorite games. So I'm going to go to the search bar though, and I'm just going to put in auto clicker. So you find auto clicker, let me just type it in right here. Alright, so basically guys, all you have to do is go ahead and press install, and just wait until the bar reaches that, and it's going to download straight onto your device. So let's just let it load here, as you guys can see, so I'm just going to give it a minute. Now obviously it's already on my device, but I'm going to walk you through the download process on how to do it. So let's just wait for it to go ahead and load here, as you guys can see, so I'm just going to give it a second. Alright, so yeah, this is really cool because, I mean, there are many games that involve tapping where we might just get tired, and I mean, the auto clicker allows you to automate actions in these games. Tap Titans 2 is a great example. So yeah, this is really easy, guys. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, get the word out. Obviously, I've already got it, but for you guys, it should download right about now. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. This is awesome, and I just can't even believe it actually works. And I mean, I've been able to automate actions in many games, and I've been able to get a lot more stuff in those games because of that, or advance the time. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.